Hello, welcome back to our channel. Kitty here. For today's video, we have a pink themed Amazon haul. I have an entire box of items here from Amazon. I've been collecting these items for a little while, just of all of the pink or like really cute themed items I've purchased from Amazon. I've just been putting in this box and saving for this video because I thought you would all want to take a look. So let's get started. So I'm going to be pulling these out one by one to show you. I'm going to talk about them a little bit and let you know the price of them, and I will be leaving a link to each item in the description. Meanwhile, I'll be inserting clips of me opening these items since I haven't actually opened any of these. I've been waiting for this video. So first thing I see here are anime figures. So I will pull these two out. So here we have a Madoka figure from the anime Polemaki Madoka Magica, as well as a Nezuko figure from the anime Demon Slayer. She is from the company Sega, and she was about $32. I do have one Nezuko figure, but this pose really caught my eye. I think it's just adorable and beautiful and really speaks to her character, because a lot of the figures I see of her, she's in an action pose, which is really cool, and I do have one like that, but this one was just so sweet, and I knew I had to have it. I'm really glad I was able to find it for such a good price, and especially on Amazon, since I do have Prime shipping and it got to me really fast. Madoka Magica is one of my absolute fave animes, and Madoka herself is my favorite character. She's absolutely beautiful, she's sweet, cute, and she is inspiring. Both Madoka and Homura have a really special place in my heart, since Madoka reminds me of myself and Homura reminds me of my twin sister Jerry, who you see on this channel all the time. So I will be looking for the matching Homura because, like I said, it reminds me of me and my twin sister. This figure was $42.99 and free Amazon Prime shipping. The second item I see here that really stands out to me are these little plushies. I purchased two of them. A melody one and a cinema roll one. Please don't be alarmed. This is exactly how the melody one came, and I made sure to keep him in his packaging so I can show you guys what he looks like, and you won't be alarmed when you receive yours and they're shrink wrapped like this. So you would just open it very carefully to not cut the plush, and it will like poof up on its own. These are both so adorable, and I'm really happy I was able to purchase these. The strawberry theme is just so adorable. She is definitely a new favorite. These little strawberries and her bows. Oh my gosh, I just die. I'm so happy. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put her yet, but yeah, she's definitely a favorite. And she was $14.99. For some reason, Cinema Roll was $16.99, I believe. But I'll leave the links in the description for you guys. We actually have two more Sanrio items in this haul. The first one is a little small. These are My Melody themed chopsticks, and I use chopsticks fairly often because one of my favorite foods is a spicy ramen. So I knew I had to have these when I saw them because they're so beautiful and pink and My Melody, and I just have so many in my collection already, but yeah, I use them very often. Y'all, look how flat my hair has gotten, and it's been like not even that long. Okay, anyway, we do have a couple more items here, so let's get right into it. I just wanted to show you really quick how tightly wrapped this is, and I have to stick my scissors in here and make really sure that I'm not cutting the actual rug, because there's no buffer in between to like make sure that you're not cutting it. So be really careful when you're opening this. So here it is, all unwrapped. Let's unroll it. So this is actually a bath mat. I didn't order it for my bathroom, no. I ordered it for right below my desk, like sort of where my feet go. And I thought it would be a really cute addition to my setup, and it is. And it is the exact shade of pink I thought it was gonna be. So I'm really happy with this. It does look like the edges will try to roll up, so you will have to try to flatten it down somehow, or just give it some time to like completely lay flat. Well, this is a pretty big item. So I went ahead and took this out of the wrapping so that we wouldn't have to deal with all that noise. I can't really show it to you here, so I will shoot to a clip of it, but I'll tell you a little about it. So Amazon says that this is an Ita bag. I actually purchased this bag as a laptop bag, and I actually purchased a few pink laptop accessories. They're not here yet, but as soon as they are, I will be doing a pink laptop accessories haul video for you all. Let me know if you're interested in that. But yeah, I was hoping this would fit my laptop, and I think it will. It's such a perfect shade of pink. I'm really happy about that. It seems to be a really good size, like I said, and it has more pockets than I thought it would, as well as this little bag. I'm not sure what I'll be doing with that, but it's really cute, and I love that it has little areas where I can hang charms from. That's always really important to me, as you all know. So yeah, this is a really cute bag. I definitely recommend it. It was $17.99, and of course I will be linking it below. They had a few other colors, like a really pretty lavender one, and one with multiple colors, like a pink, purple, blue one, and a yellow one that I think is so cute. Like if I was to do like a Zenitsu themed bag. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that Zenitsu is my favorite Demon Slayer character, and he's just the cutest boy. So last item in the box are these little rabbit hair clips, and if you know me, you know my name's Kitty. I love to wear cat ears, and I actually have collected a few over the years, but this is my first pair of bunny ears, so I'm really excited. These are really beautiful. They're so soft. The bow is way nicer than I thought it was going to be, considering the price. These were about $10, and I think they're definitely worth it. I wish the clip would have been a different color, but I don't think it will bother me too much since they are underneath and they will be well hidden. I would try these on for you now, but I don't think these will look really cute with my current hairstyle. Yeah, I think these would be styled better with my hair down. If I'm able to try these on for you, I will insert a clip, of course. But yeah, I'm very happy with these. So that was the last item in the box, but I do want to talk about one more item, and that is this pink wall grid here. I did purchase this grid on Amazon, and it was about $35, I believe. And yeah, I will leave the link down below, of course, and I'll give you a better look. So this grid is pretty big. It is about 32 to 33 inches by 23 or 24 inches, so that's pretty big. It's got about 4 different sections on it, and it comes with the nails, so you can hook it onto your wall, as well as these little clips here so that you can attach your keychains, photos, whatever it is that you're attaching. I use mine to sort of hold my bag clips and keychains and such. It also came with these 3 shelves, and you can pull these up and attach them anywhere you want. I think that's really cool because that means you can design it in any way you would like. I'm still working on mine, but so far I'm really happy with it. So yeah, turns out I lied. I'm sorry about that. Those were not the last items. There's actually one last item. Here it is, and it's actually a Sanrio item. It's a My Melody item. This is a tapestry. So if you don't know what a tapestry is, it's like a cloth like material, and it is like a poster, or you know, just something you can hang on your walls. And this one is really big. I'm gonna look up the exact dimensions. Give me a second. So this is 59 by 39 inches. That is really big. So I knew this was gonna be big, and I purchased this to go over my bed, because like I have a lot of wall space over my bed, and I don't want to hang shelves or anything like that because my toddler sleeps in my bed a lot, and I don't want anything to fall on him or fall on me or anything like that. So I thought this would be perfect to cover up my wall and just be really pink and cute. So this is 39 by 59 inches again. So if you're thinking of purchasing one of these tapestries, I would make sure you have enough space for it on your wall. It is very beautiful, and I am very happy with it. Also, it was only about $15, I believe. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!